Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center an image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make an picture center. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box over the page. Then go back again the Insert menu. Then click Picture option. Then choose a picture from our file. Then click Insert. Then select the picture and resize some small. Then select the picture. Then press Shift on our keyboard and select the text box. Then go to the Shape Format menu and click the Alignment option and choose the Align Center. Again go back this Alignment option and choose Align Middle. Then click outside of the page. Then click the text box and delete. Now we can see we make this picture center this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.